Hi there. So I'm just doing a really quick live today because I wanted to just say that, toilet paper is not essential. I've obviously been to the supermarket recently, like most people, and there's not really any toilet paper to be had. And I'm really surprised that that's the thing that's run out, to be honest, because you don't need it. And actually, it's much healthier just to wash. So if you're thinking about doing a refurbishment of your bathroom, then you're thinking about what you can do to change your lifestyle for something that is both healthier, more sustainable. Toilet paper is made out of trees, paper, it comes from trees or other sorts of plants, and those plants could be better kept growing, capturing carbon, or being other sorts of crops being used for other things like feeding people. Or fuel, different things. You don't need the toilet paper, and toilet paper going down the sewage just adds to the bulk that's in the sewage, which adds to the potential for flooding as well. So it's really not an essential thing to have. And if you're worried that you weren't able to stock up on toilet paper, then worry no longer, because you can just use soap and water and wash and you'll be cleaner and healthier, and it's not a big problem. I mean, perhaps it's a cultural thing in lots of cultures. They don't use toilet paper, and using toilet paper is considered a bit gross because washing is so much cleaner, and it's much better for you from the point of view of things like thrush and STDs and all that sort of thing. Being cleaner rather than using soap and water rather than toilet paper is better. And other things that you can do is have so install a bidet, or you install a shower hose next to your toilet, or buy one of those. If you want to go really fancy and high tech, then you can get a Japanese toilet that will wash you and dry you. You don't need toilet paper, and cutting toilet paper out of your life is a sustainable choice, it's a viable choice, and it's a healthy option as well. And then you don't need to worry about the supermarkets running out of toilet paper. So that was just my quick message for today. If you have any comments to make about toilet paper or alternatives to toilet paper, pop them in the comments below. Bye for now.